Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Maths class. Do you remember what we have discussed in previous class children? Yes, very good. About addition on number line. Today we will learn about greater, lesser and equal. Once again children, we will learn about greater than, lesser than and equal to. Okay, children, look at this symbols. Yes, greater than, lesser than, equal to. Okay? Yes. Now, look here, children. Let us see greater than and lesser than symbols. Let's learn about them. Okay? Greater than and lesser than symbols can be used to compare numbers and expressions. The greater than symbol is, children, all of you look at this symbol, greater than symbol. Okay? Yes. So, 9 is greater than 7. Read as 9 is greater than 7. The less than symbol is, children, all of you look at this symbol again. Less than symbol. Okay? See here. Yellow one, children. Yellow symbol. Yellow sign. Look at this picture down. Yes. Here the symbols, children. This yellow one is less than symbol. Okay. Two other comparison symbols are greater than or equal to. Okay, look at this symbol. Greater than or equal to. And less than or equal to sign, children. Here, after and, just before that bracket, children, here, less than or equal to sign. Here down, children, look here. Red one is greater than sign. Yellow one is less than sign. And blue one is equal to sign. Okay? Now, next one, children, look here. Once again, about greater than symbol. Greater than symbol is used when we have to compare two values in which one value is greater than another value. It is denoted by the symbol. Children, all of you look here. Look at this symbol. After this symbol also given. Okay, greater than symbol. Examples are 10 is greater than 9. Okay, it is true, children, which is true. 10 is greater than 9. Okay, next one more example. 7 is greater than 1 and 5 is greater than 2. Now let us see the less than symbol is written as, children, after as. Here the symbol is given. All of you see here. Okay, that is less than symbol. The less than symbol shows that one or more numbers are smaller or less than a given value. Okay, now look here, children. Here, greater than and less than signs. Once again, children, listen carefully, try to understand. An inequality compares two values. An inequality compares two values, showing if one is less than, greater than, or simply not equal to another value. Children, all of you look here. Here, greater than sign, less than sign. Okay, two signs, children, look here. Greater than sign and less than sign. How to remember the signs? Let us see now. Okay, to open end of the symbol always faces the bigger number. Look here children, bigger number. Okay, the open end of the symbol always faces the bigger number. Open end children, look here. Look at this picture. Yes. The arrow points to the smaller number. Here, see children, one side is big and the other side is small. Okay? It is shown with the help of arrow marks children. Here, smaller number children, smaller side. It's given, see children, one side is big and the other side is small. So, this smaller number, okay, arrow points to the smaller number. Yes, that is less than. Okay, and here big children, it faces the bigger number. Open end children, open end. Okay, this symbol always faces the bigger number. That is children greater than. Okay, big. Bigger one is greater than and smaller one is less than. Which symbol do I use? Look here children down. Symbol, it means example. Now look at this symbol. This is first symbol children, look here down. Yes, first symbol that is greater than symbol. Example, 3 is greater than 2. And the other one children down, last one that is less than symbol. Okay, last one is less than symbol and 2 is less than 3. Is it clear children? And next one, here is a method children, look here. Method, imagine the symbol as an alligator, that means crocodile children. Okay, mouth with the numbers on each side being little fish. Okay, the alligator will always want to eat a larger number of fish. Larger number of fish. Okay? Yes. Now look here children. Here alligator method. See. Yes. 8. 5 and 8 is given children. Look here. Which side the alligator mouth? Yes, 8. That means greater. 8 is greater than 5. Okay? 5 is less than 8. And next one. Yes. 10 is greater than 4. And 4 is less than 10. The alligator eats the bigger number. Eats the bigger number children. Look here. Look at this sign. Bigger number side. Its mouth is opened. Okay? Yes. It's always want to eat a larger number of fish. Okay? So just imagine here. Here in first number 8 fishes and the second number 10 fishes. Okay? Yes. Next one children. Now look at this again. Let us discuss open ends. An easy way to remember which is to remember that the open end of the symbol is always facing the bigger number. Just now I explained children. Okay? Here symbol which is to remember that the open end of the symbol is always facing the bigger number and the arrow points to the small number. Children look here. Okay? Yes. Once again, children, here open end of the symbol is always facing the bigger number, that is greater than sign. And here, children, and the arrow points to the smaller number, that is less than. Okay? Yes. Now, children, once again, children, just now we finished discussing about alligator method, children. Yes. Here is another way to remember the greater than and lesser than signs. Is something that you may remember from grade school, the alligator method, children. Once again, children, alligator method. Okay? Yes. Here, once again, see, children, the greater symbol means greater than. Here, the sign is given, the greater than sign, children. Symbol means, the greater than symbol means greater than. It shows that one number or value is greater than another number. For example, 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. Yes, if you see the symbol less than, it means that one number is smaller than the other number. For example, 2 is less than 6. 2 is less than 6. The symbols look similar and can easily be confused by which symbol is which. Children, look here. Here. Symbol, words, example. Again and again, repeatedly I am explaining, children, so that you can fix in mind, you can remember. Okay? Try to understand, children. Try to fix in mind the symbols. Yes, here symbol greater than. First one is greater than symbol, children. For example, 10 is greater than 3. And next one, look at this symbol, children. This is less than symbol and 2 is less than 6. Next one, open ends. An easy way to remember which symbol is which is to remember that the open end of the symbol is always facing the bigger number and the arrow points to the small number. Once again, children, fix in mind. It is very easy, children, to remember. Okay? So, the open end of the symbol is always facing the bigger number. Open end of the symbol is always facing the bigger number. And the arrow points to the smaller number. Okay? Next, look at this picture, children. Yes. Once again, look here. Greater than. Here, once again, children, telling greater than from less than. Now that you have the greater than, children, look here, greater than. Your down symbols are given. Okay? Yes. Look here, children. And less than, greater than and less than symbols. You can see they look similar to each other. Children, observe it. Down, the symbols are given, children. Greater, lesser. Okay. You can see they look similar to each other. In fact, they are mirror opposite of each other, children. Just like that. Opposites of each other. So how can we tell the difference between the two symbols? Children, try to understand now. Yes. Look here. Compare the V-like shape of the symbols. V-like shape, children. Look here. Yes. To mouth. Compare the V-like shape of the symbols to the mouth of an alligator. Remember that the alligator always wants to eat as much as it can. Okay, so it opens its jaws to the larger quantity. Look at this picture. It opens its jaws to the larger quantity. Look at this picture, all of you. The greater than sign is a comparison sign used in math. It means that one amount or value is greater than another one. Look here, children, look at this picture. Yes, 3 and 2. 3 is greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. Yes. And the other one is equal to, children. Down last, equal to sign. Okay? Yes. Next one, children. Look here. Here. One more. This is very simple trick, children. One more trick to remember. The symbols greater than and less than. Okay? Yes. Sometimes we'll get confused, children, to remember the signs. Children, it's not a problem, but we have to fix in mind. Okay? Here we have a trick for that. Okay, let's learn now. Greater than or lesser than signs. Okay? Children, look here. Just consider less than means your left hand and greater than is your right hand. Same like this. Just you show your hand, show your fingers like this, children. Less than sign, left hand, children. First show your left hand. Keep like this. Take 2 fingers. Open 2 fingers and keep like this. And then, yes. Yes. The shape, children, sign. It's a symbol. Left hand, less than, left hand, children. Yes. Next, greater than is your right hand. Yes, open 2 fingers. Yes, children, now you can remember like this. Yes. Always remember with the help of your right hand and left hand, you can remember the signs. Okay? Yes, less than left hand and greater than right hand. Is it clear, children? Once again, let us see like this. Okay? Yes, children, all of you keep your hand like this. Look at this picture. Keep your hand like this. Same like that. Yes, look at this picture, all of you. And keep your hand same like this. Keep your right hand, children. First, your right hand. Yes, keep your right hand fingers first. Same like this. So that you can see the shape of greater than. Sign. Okay? Greater than. Yes. The greater than symbol points to the right, children, right hand. For example, see, 45 is greater than 22. 67 is greater than 50. Yes. Next one, children. Look here. Now, See this next picture. Keep your left hand fingers just like this, same like this. Look at this picture. Keep your left hand fingers in this shape, same like that. Okay. Now you can see the lesser than symbol. Got it, children? Yes. Now you got lesser than symbol. Left, less than, left, less than symbol. Okay. The less than symbol points to the left. Is it clear, children? For example, see here, 28 is less than 40. And the next example is 54 is less than 76. Okay? Now, children, let us see what is equal to. Just now we discussed about greater than and less than. Okay? Now, let us discuss equal to. Here, look at this, children. Two parallel horizontal lines. Observe this, children. Okay, two parallel horizontal lines are given. That is the symbol of equal to. The equal sign or equality sign. Equal sign or equality sign. Children, look at this sign. Okay, is a mathematical symbol. The equal sign in mathematics describes equality between the values, equations or expressions written on both sides. The symbol for equal to is two small horizontal lines placed parallelly. Okay? We place the equal to sign is between two things that are the same or equal. Same or equal. Okay? Yes. Look at this, children. Observe this symbol, equal to symbol. Two parallel horizontal lines. Yes. Now, let us see, children, here. Equality and inequality. Equality and inequality. Here are the symbols, children. Yes. First one, equal. Equal, children, equal to, equal. And next, look here, children. Here, down, orange one. Not equal, not equal. First one is equal. And next one is orange one, children. Look at this. Yes, if we write like this, that is not equal. That symbol is not equal. And next, this side, children. Greater than symbol, children. Look here. Here, arrow marks are given. Larger, children. Okay? Here, that is greater. And smaller side, that is less than. Greater than and less than. Okay? Yes. Now, greater than. Look at this symbol, children, greater than symbol. And down, less than symbol. Okay? Less than symbol. And again, children, greater than or equal. See the symbols. Greater than or equal. And down one, less than or equal. Less than or equal. Did you understand, children? Now let us see this. Once again, children, all of you. Let's discuss. Here are few examples. Children, look here. We read from left to right. Okay? We read from left to right. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. And 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Here is a trick to remember, children. Look here. First, I would place a dot here. Here dots are given, children. Look here. Here I would place a dot here first, and after that 2 dots. Okay. Yes. Here after 3 symbol is given, children. For that symbol, first here I would place a dot, and then after that 2 dots. Look at this device. Yes. Okay. 1 dot is less than 2 dots. Yes or no, children? 1 dot is less than 2 dots. So 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. And one more example, children. Here, I am placing the 2 dots and 1 dot. Here next one, children. 5 is greater than 3 is given. All of you, look at your device. Just, children, I am placing the 2 dots one side and the other side 1 dot. Okay. Now 2 dots are more than 1 dot. 2 dots are more than 1 dot. Yes or no, children? Yes. So 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Okay. Here few more examples, children. Look here. 6 is greater than 4. 6 is greater than 4. And 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Here, 4 and 4, children, look at this. 4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Okay? Yes. Children, look here. Do this exercise. Here, compare each set of numbers. Write the correct symbol in the box. Children, write the correct symbol in the box, greater than, lesser than, or equal. Okay? Greater than, lesser than, equal to. You write the correct symbol in the box. Did you understand, children? Yes. Now, children, hope you all understood the symbols greater than, lesser than, or equal to. Practicing rough notes with any number, children. Thank you. Bye. Take care.